have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun.
Welcome my loves to another episode of Little Red's Kitchen. I'm your host, Little Red. Now, F45 have just started their 45 day, I think it is. It's one of the two, I can't really remember. I should probably know considering I'm doing it. But they're doing a challenge, and that's the main part that I'm actually doing it. I've never done one of their challenges, purely because one, I am a bit of a binge drinker on the weekend, so that doesn't really work. Also, with being keto, I never really looked. So these have been my excuses for not doing a challenge. But I've always just sort of thought, I like to choose my food. Like, I like to know what I'm going to eat, and I like to choose it. So I don't like someone telling me what I can and can't eat. So I've never done the challenges, but came back from Bali, you're gaining a little bit of weight, but that's okay because 10 days of drinking cocktails every single day and having like your rice and noodles and all the rest, that will happen. So I've come back and I thought, perfect time to do a challenge. And then I looked, one of the PTs at the gym showed me like the food options. First thing I saw was bloody cookie dough. And I was like, excuse me, why have I not done a challenge before if there's bloody cookie dough on the menu? So what I wanted to do today is show you guys how quick and easy it is to make such a simple but delicious dessert. I mean, I haven't made it before or tried it, but cookie dough, you can't really go wrong, surely. But so what I wanted to do is show you that I reckon I can make this in less than 60 seconds or maybe 60 seconds. And obviously that doesn't include your food prep or putting it in the fridge because I think you're meant to set it for like 30 minutes or something like that. But like cookie dough, you can just eat it straight away. So if you want to set it for 30 minutes, do that. I mean, I probably will, but I'm just going to, actually, I'll try it. Once I've made it, I'll try it and then I'll put it in the fridge. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be stopwatch timing it on my burner phone. I'm not a drug dealer, by the way, I just have two phones. So I'm going to time it, 60 seconds on the clock. I reckon we can do this. Let's go.
They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong.
What you gonna do with that dessert? Do what, dee da, dee da, dee da. Do what, do da, dee da, do da, dee da. Do what, do da, dee da, do da, da. Murder that, dance floor, dance floor. Murder that.
All right, guys, there you have it. Proof, boom. Challenge one, accepted. No, I've accepted it and I've won it. That was actually a lot more stressful than I thought it was going to be. And that was with me prepping all the food. So anyway, I nailed it. It was like 55 seconds or something like that. Nailed it. Absolutely nailed it. I mean, you're meant to set that in the fridge. But to be honest, like, I'm not even joking. That tastes so good just on its own, like. Let's taste. All right, cookie dough. I'm amazed. I just that. Sorry, do that. God damn, at least it's not hot. I'm just like pissed off that I haven't done the challenge before. I'm so excited to see what else is on there. That was literally the only thing I saw. I was like, oh my God, cookie dough. All right, guys. If you're not doing F45, you can still have a healthy meal. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see, any more challenges. I mean, I made that challenge up myself and I absolutely nailed it. Nailed it, that's the word I was going for. God damn it. Anyway, nailed it, success. Gonna pop that in the fridge, probably gonna eat half now, not gonna lie. But if there's anything else you want to see, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in the next episode of Little Red's Kitchen.